What's up guys, it's me, your Gmail. So here the top 5 Motorola Moto E5 play case. The number 5th case is from my case, a simple beautiful looking case. And number 4 is another beautiful case from Yekang, a simple rugged tile style case. And number 3 is from Directal. I mean, look at that, it's so beautiful. The trim around, I mean, amazing. And number two is from Idea Line, a simple case come with a full screen glass screen protector. Number one, my favorite, is from Swan. This quality is much better than the number three one. Again, you can't go wrong with it. All of the case links are in the description box below. It was me, Jimmy, and Kate. Rock on.